MPP primaries. No be a head the Owusu Bempah beka. Me catch apostle. Me tell ni obey me ni omo primaries no.
Now,
and me catch Nana say catch Dr. Bempah.
I said to Reverend Anakwesi, tell Dr. Bempah.
But who said Bawumia winning election no was white.
That I saw that Bawumia had won the election.
And victory speech.
And the results was declared.
Also for which frame me. And now Bempah o cancer. Say papa nyamia memehunu. Say Dr. Bawumia winning me say ampa because sanity. Ono aso ne be win. And to go ahead and say it. To me TV for the mene also for Bernard picture about to omu TV ni so no matro fake prophets. Sa Bawumia na damfo chama wontumi nkrofo ro. Omu no omu ye ma bere bi mi no omu nya problem no. Sa nkrofo na o. Omu sa twetwe aba o. Now we need primary say no just what we need national one. Media yemfa sansam fun say ma please. Mon can't show me so much because Momon San provoke me. Say, my dean, my quack 2028 may change. Dear baby Emra, I'm waiting. And on to a sofa. A better set more be a nimatem. Sabaya, I didn't toss her. Member fool out amount. But so could the matem na torso. Why here I mean I will work against it and I will change it in the name of the Lord.
Prophet Owusu Bempah abekasa lebusia wakan semye pa ediafa MPP primaries no Prophet Owusu Bempah one prophet lebusia se balo se amanyosam ho komhye dia o wene papa yi wo hye komye para ne komhye bia so ento emfa ho ne titiru ne se Ghana ebeto aba na wode ayi ni bampani o wene afa Prophet Owusu Bempah na boboa no wo bebo nipa na obewi ni sisi ade todito na wode ato ho enti MPP for primaries pempens no wene se trofo bo poni pina no dodo na ene person ka wode ni obewi ni aba no ebeto dwa na so wo mo wo no abusia body and me anya mankani Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah amfa nipa kwa wo ba bedi aba no anto dwa na busia ye MPP for two aba ne wiye e na Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ko sie dey e wona asori dem wona wo kire se owo no na wonim nipa obewi ne in fact wo kire se wo se Dr. Mahama Bawumia ana ewi ni aba na o we ne wa hyefufuo kama na wo ma victory speech na ere Samira so tin nchen na wo stress kama pa na wo kire se o we dance ni a wo kire se obo na asem na ma ne sesei na wo hu na eno achi na wo de warning ekọ e de ama chairman wuntimi ne TV station ene wo mu a eye adwuma wo no wo ka kire wo se enye ne ehia any primaries no se ne ehia pa eye Ghana abato na bekwakoto ne kese no baba Ghana mampeni na se wo makwafa wo no ne picture ne prophet de na picture na wo mu de pim ne kutia no se so mu obibi ya wo mu hwe ne sisi achema wuntimi wasem bia won kan che ne boys no anya sa 2028 wo be kire mabosumi a yedue mu abru
aya na enkrofo bi pese o mu forso a ya adwen.
Now you see many people or some people sometimes intentionally want to provoke or want to bring trouble. They want to disturb us. They want to stir contention.
Asofo munyina momra. Man of God momra. Asofo nyina momra. Resident pastor asofo nyina momra. Uncle Fio ho ana oko na baso bai. Uncle Fio am sorry. Okay. Asofo amwe. Senior pastor there were exams. Lawyer.
Papa.
Doctor there were exams.
That's right.
Now there now also be exams. Now the only exams. Why exams in the resident pastor. I didn't know uncle for be person. Omo forswa. Emma, I said,
why does it seem some people want to make every effort, do everything just to stir trouble.
Also for Anamentiasio.
I struggle to understand.
MPP for Kotoaba.
So NPP was going for their primaries.
And me pesa me come obia ti ase say Onyankopon okasa efa amanyosem.
Now today I want everybody to understand that God truly speaks about politics or politically related matters.
Aya na nkrofo ta ka say eye Old Testament.
Now people often say that it was only relevant in the Old Testament.
Not Samuel, that grace.
Samuel had that grace.
Has so many times.
I've said it here so many times.
Daniel also had grace.
Daniel had that grace.
In fact, Elijah, and
Elisha, Nathan,
that grace.
They all had that grace. And today, that grace is still available.
Now, MPP primaries.
Now, about the primaries of NPP.
No, be ready, Owusu Bempah.
Everyone was attentive to hear what Prophet Owusu Bempah was saying. But I did not prophesy about the primaries. I did not. No, I didn't prophesy about the primaries. If I would have prophesied, it would have started from here. Like I have been doing.
Madam for Mr. Asani.
So my friend, Mr. Asani, we usually talk a lot. Now he knows, and we both know the one who would win. So, as for my pastors, they are aware. Now there's a son of mine, a man of God that loves me so much. He has taken me to be his spiritual father.
Your friend, Prophet Uche.
He's called Prophet Uche.
Papa, minya revelation na Bawumia ewini primaries no MPP. Now, me person can declare.
And he said, I want to declare it.
And I'm saying, go ahead.
And I told him, go ahead.
You are on course. Go ahead.
Because you are on the right course. Go ahead. Me. He's very respectful. And he loves me so much.
Me 2 cars.
In fact, he has
brand new cars.
2 brand new cars.
Powerful cars.
Because he knows I love cars. So he has given me 2 powerful cars. He loves me so much. He loves me dearly. He told me and I said, Prophet, just declare what you have seen. And say it exactly as it was revealed. You see, I have hatred for no one. I do not hate anyone.
Na Asempa FM. Interview.
Now, during an interview on Asempa by Obi.
And Obi Sam say, and then in
the interview, he asked me whether I knew the one who would win the primaries. And I said, yes, I know it, but I will not say it. And he asked me something about some men of God. And I said, oh, I believe in their prophecies.
Now,
I told Apostle Charles
one
Owusu,
Saturday morning,
the person who would win the primaries.
And I'm afraid my brother suffered an Nanakwesi.
Now, one Saturday morning in the month of October, I called my brother Nanakwesi.
And I'm catching some Nanafra Dr. Bempah.
And I told him, call Dr. Bempah.
Dr. Bempah, Dr. Bawumia, Nemermanoa, Otanumba Bifi Numbako.
Now, Dr. Bempah is one of the men in the Bawumia camp, and he usually comes. Dr. Bawumia often came home with him.
And I'm saying, Dr. Bempah said, "Many revelation."
And I said to him, tell Dr. Bempah that I have had a revelation about their primaries.
And yes, Dr. Bempah, I'm a witness. Now, Dr. Bempah.
Now, it is not because the primaries has come to an end, and that's why I'm now talking. But I'm mentioning names. Every person in MPP knows who Dr. Bempah is.
And I'm a catcher. Nana said, catcher Dr. Bempah.
I said to Reverend Anakwesi, tell Dr. Bempah.
But who said Bawumia winning election? No, white.
That I saw that Bawumia had won the election.
And victory speech.
And he was wearing a white attire. And he was giving his victory speech.
Primaries, no, primaries.
And his wife was by him.
No,
and it was in respect of their primaries, not the national election. Their
national
primaries.
Election, Hallelujah. Anything to do with presidency, me person we are concerned because nya obebi wa man no o se we nipa na ye Ghana ni a wani kosa area hopa
now
because
everything to do,
decide everything to do,
now everything to do with the presidency, you must be concerned about it. You must be concerned about the person who will lead the nation, because whether there will be good or bad in this nation, whether there will be prosperity or poverty, it is from there. God called me and appointed me for Ghana as a prophet for Ghana and the world.
The nation's prophet.
But I don't call myself the nation's prophet.
So Reverend
Anakwesi called Dr. Bempah and said to Dr. Bempah that this is what Papa has seen and he has asked me to tell you. Now yesterday after the primaries, Dr. Bempah called Reverend Anakwesi and said to him that what Papa said has come to pass even before the elections results was declared.
And to go ahead and say it. My name is Asani there so many times, and yet this uncommon.
Now, as for myself and Mr. Asani, we have had this conversation so many times.
So many times.
And my friend,
Brakofi, said you make a unim says Anati. Wonderful. So many times. Media Debia may catch that myself way. They said Dr. Bawumia or no one will be winning his election.
Now, I've told my pastors already before the results that Dr. Bawumia would win the election.
Bawumia man can dem hada. Obi am interview. Oh, busa me kra man kan me simi but men kan. Mr. Nkrumah tikasia ya me interview KFM. Eno so me simi nim. Eso men kan. Eno so man kan. De enti omo ya me say interview no. De Anthony Kabo e kan enti.
Now so I was interviewed.
Me kira say ni o mebo adifo no a. Omu no omu hwehwe adwuma no o mebo omu din. Adifo no a. Crofo say omu information momo de shankom omabobo adifo ni di because me Owusu Bempah mi gina he obi an ho no ye post no me din komoda obi anya madamfo danko Musa menini ni komoda me hu no mpoda Ben Hefson menini ni komoda menim ne da omo me ye post menum obi a me no obi ani komoda onyame na me social comfort abato ho
now at the time
at
the time we started prophesying about elections, there were no posters. There was nobody who was conducting polls.
Papa Rollins' time, not post.
Now during Rollins' time, there was no known poster. But you see, I'm addressing this issue for a reason.
And conform person more François person which say as Owusu Bempah shenkom e de call baby na amfa ho. And omo kan me aka.
And some people are trying to create an impression that as for Prophet Owusu Bempah, he prophesied in a certain direction. And his direction has failed. So they are trying to associate me with something. But are you listening?
I
have many pictures with my son, Prophet Ushe. And Prophet El Bernard also visited me at home. And he said, Papa, I want to take a picture with you. And we took a picture together.
To me, TV for the mene also for El Bernard picture about to omu TV ni no natural fake prophets.
Now, quite disingenuously, Want to Meet TV posted the picture I had with Prophet El Bernard, and they have written underneath it fake prophets.
Najigezi, prophet Najigezi shall concept Bawumia Bewini. And then I mean the picture the old man farm at all. Oh, Sa Bawumia. Na down for Chama won't to mean Crawford. Omo yama baby me no munya problem no. Sa Crawford now. Almost sa chichi about. Now we need premise and not just what we need national one. Also, I just don't want to go there. But once we must start it. Media young fast and full say please. Mon can't show me so munya because Momon San provoke you. Minya me ba me nyame servant.
Now, let them not provoke me once more.
Also,
we have history.
Afetie me. Edientina Prophet El Bernard ba me fie.
Now, why did Prophet El Bernard come to my house?
Dienti oba me fie. Obe church nsem bi mu.
Now, he came to me to explain certain matters to me.
Obi ba me fie be ka kire me nkrofo bi ba me fie be ka kire me.
Now, some people came to my house to tell me
call Mr. Kennedy Japan ho.
That they went to see Mr. Kennedy Japan.
And
they said something about me.
And Mr. Kennedy Japan kaso ono die prophet I was trusting and believing El Bernard and Owusu Bempah.
And they said that Mr. Kennedy Japan's response was that as for him, the prophet he trusts is Prophet El Bernard and not Prophet Owusu Bempah.
Mr. Kennedy Japan where madam for pa.
Now, Mr. Kennedy Japan is a very good friend.
Enti omo de sasem we ba manim no me dream me.
So when the people came to tell me this story, I was a bit surprised. Really?
Because Honorable Kennedy Japan what kind of so many places in madam for me. No cre madam for no.
Because Mr. Kennedy Japan has said in so many places that we were friends, and indeed, yes, he's my good friend.
Prophet El Bernard ba me fie.
So it was because of this issue Prophet El Bernard came to my house.
Oba no say papa.
When he came to me, he said, Papa.
Now
that matter they came to discuss with you.
Me believe you, pa.
As for me, I believe you so much. And I trust you so much. I know that you are a senior prophet of God. And I remember the time when you came to Takrady. When God was using you mightily, I was a student. And I desired to have your unction. Now you even came to our school for a program, a prophetic ministration. And so, Papa, as for me, I know you so much. But the rest of the things we discussed, will not tell you. Now, on the day he came to visit me at home, we did not have any conversation about MPP's primaries. Now, that thing which happened is what he came to discuss with me, and he came to plead with me to let go. And then I told him that I don't believe Honorable Kennedy Japan would ever say that.
So many TV stations say, Prophet Owusu Bempah.
Because he said it on so many occasions that he believes Prophet Owusu Bempah so much. And I told Prophet El Bernard, don't feel bad, don't be worried. And he thanked me. And he said, Papa, can I have a picture with you? And I said, why not? And then he took a picture with me. And that is the picture they posted on their TV.
Twice.
He came to visit me twice. He's a very humble man. A very humble man and a very good man of God. Papa. So when Obi interviewed me, he asked me a question.
Dr. Bawumia president that me Owusu Bempah me can be.
And he said that they have heard about some group of men of God who have sworn or perhaps vowed that they will not allow Dr. Bawumia ever to become president, and I was one of that group. But that is not true. I have not had any meeting with any man of God concerning Dr. Bawumia's ambition. So I told Obi of Asempa that it wasn't true.
So because me Owusu Bempah me share come extra say when they be
so if anybody tells you that I prophesied anywhere that such person or any person would win the election.
Even Dr. Bawumia, apart from my software, and my friends, and a software of my family say, almost spiritual father, me no mudinko, me no pian can once.
Now, apart from my pastors and some few friends and some sons of mine in the Lord, I had never mentioned anywhere.
Me babu shop at my prempe and only me think of phone. So no say papa. Na dear question I'm so Dr. Bawumia ono.
So my son Bishop Adjuman Prempe called me on phone and I told him.
But also no kra wan ka ho hwe. Enu nti me ya announcement we di akire mo.
So I want to make this announcement.
Ene se free o kire ko.
So from tomorrow.
So say obi di aba beto social media no so Owusu Bempah.
Anybody posting any picture
say we ne be win election nya no kra.
Or blogs about me that Prophet Owusu Bempah prophesied about MPP primaries. It's a lie. I did not prophesy about it.
All night.
The only prophecy I gave was the contention or confusion which would result in some violence that I prophesied about and we prayed about. So I just want to make this clear. So that if you see any post on any social media platform, you will know that it's not true. Now I don't know where I stood to say Honorable Kennedy Japan win the primaries. I never said anything like that.
Na untumi boys ni didi matem na abronya mu didi matem but primaries way man kahwe am for obia ho eno ane se me se ekwan no a omu fa so 2024 no ma hu se sa kwan na no mu nam so na ho aso no mbekọ me kan ya se me ni di obi atem we I atem didi jeti no so mbedi matem osofo jeti no mu didi matem. A quantity mistake no more you know. Because 2024, minting baby no man started so mudi matem. I'm here before back and so very poto. I can't say Yamia Mamma who so very poto. Oh, Anuntino, Miss Ramo, a sobia need grace, a sobia and a calling. Where ya me calling to munyai me. Now, also. Election bia ni hon ma yen kire de obetena konya no so. Hwe 2028. Me good friend. O man pani John Dramani Mahama. Mene ne bedin komo. Me friend daddy. Ono so friend me papa. Me friend daddy. Ono so friend me papa. We ye me good friend pa. Eno ani se mebusa ne se Edia no pe on kan kire me. Mebusa ne se dia no pe. Ono an kan de ope se open kire me. Also for translate. Me nse na umi ane de umi ano kwa me nyai translate.
All right, so
na se me kan ya me kan bone. Mebusa madam fo no se madam fo. Me pa cha o pese oto aso. Ana wabre 2% odu achije obi ana de na pesa wo ye me ne kasa wie no ka chem se o nyame nipa de wo pesa wo ye bia step bia pesa o take bia go on or go ahead fine eho mekọ awurade anim na maka sha awurade se awurade se akonya no ede na woni me ka fa ho Ebra no aso. Why na ade na eba? Wo kire me nipa kro na mempa. Meka cho se mempe. Ba me peso meka cho se mepe. Erade a me nim no. O me ho abotre pa. Obenya abotre ne ma di nkomo yie. Wonim se duru time bi kro me toma me. Sam ya me decide. Osofo papa. Well, pay the matem. Well, pay the American taking it serious. Well, payment taking it serious. I don't mind. Also,
Papa.
aya na young crofon say dabre yeshan come because of ska mami kan asem we na me fa masem nsi eda na me so shen come fa DR Congo papa no so be win election oti asem o ka kire me o so win a obe mama pa aba be sra no o kan the plane sa Archbishop eba on fa memra me kan no kra kire o unim say time ne so ye no manko busa Archbishop mpo se time be no obekọ time be ne yeko manko Virgin Island so de Prophet Vincent the owini ye no o se memra na wa uhwa Virgin Island ya se memra ufi se nkeme free hokwa unum sa manko unum sa DR Congo so manko we chere say enye sika e na me hwehwe but di onya me pe e ma oman no ene na me so me pe me say my din makwa kogina 2028 me twen dear baby emra I'm waiting enunti osofo eye better say mo obi ani matem sebe ya ade ne tol so a meba full out amount ba so kodi matem na tol so wan hwe amenka ho hwe I will work against it and I will change it in the name of the Lord tie enya me nko na meto aba me bu afu pa batene menya abotre enya me nko na meto aba o ba ma me kan sem minchiro answer na Israel for koto aba our 1 Samuel chapter 10 na Samuel edikan ne Saul ehia aye directions amano our 1 Samuel chapter 9 where directions man wi answer no mokoto aba enu nti Saul so na win sa election no obie ni hon na me dey support be ma a obekọ abato a obelusu ebi nsi da no ebi nsi da
Abusia prophet Owusu Bempah ne nsɛm wɔ kaa ye no na yakɔ akɔti de aba no mesrɛ sɛ ubegya wadwenkyerɛ wɔ comment section ho de amame ebi ne prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ɛyɛ adwene ebi so ɛkyerɛ sɛ ne nyame asi ne hene no owo bia entimi entu no sɛ nyame so wo si wo hene na akɔfa henkyɛhye a wo bia ne wo bɛkɔto eti sɛ nyame sɛ ɛyɛ Dr. Mahama Bawumia ba bedi Ghana mampani Ghana fo kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ ne prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah bɛka no ɛno ɛna ɛbɛyɛ adwuma ebi so kyerɛ sɛ nyame sɛ wɔ na bia dia je so yi kyerɛ ne ko adi fu ansa it is a prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah for the records ne ye hu sɛ enkomhye bi obɛhye ne titiru dia fa Ghana mampani adwa no ho no etimi ba mu dia ɛne na wonim ne wɔka if you say ne friend is obeto boabo no na ne nan esi bo so ntabusua wenum no ɛne Ghana fo adwenkyerɛ abusua me de aba beso mo amesɛ sɛ gya wo so de ɛwɔ comment section ho bepam ye begebre na yakenkan ɛde ama all the social media handles no ɛyɛ too much gh or subscribe like no wa share na fofo so enye bi ahwɛ me din ɛde dark gold ye bɛsɛnhia